What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Teresa, and today I'm doing some no polish acrylic nails. This is what my nails look like before this set that I'm currently about to do. They were actually long and coffin, and I wanted them short and square, so I decided to cut them. And I haven't got a full set in a while, so I just went ahead and took that set off. And let me just tell you now that this video is all over the place. The light is terrible, but I still wanted to put it out. After I soaked that last set off, I trimmed my real nails down and filed them, removed the shine with my sanding band. After I remove the shine, I get all the dust off with a little brush I got from the Dollar Tree. Then I use these nail forms to build my nail, because I always build my nails that way. I hardly ever use tips, so I just couldn't get the nail forms on, and I ain't feel like playing with it all night. It's probably because I cut my nails down a little bit too short that it didn't have nothing to grab on, but you can still use nail forms even if you have a nub. But I didn't feel like doing all that positioning, so I just took my tips out and applied those to make my life easier, because doing nails can take hours, especially when you not a professional. So let me reiterate that I am not a professional. I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. Okay, thank you. Thanks for all your negative comments in advance. Thanks for all your positive comments as well. I put the tips on. They're shaped in like the stiletto style. So I cut them down with a nail clipper to my desired length. Okay, so after I apply my tips, I go in with the sanding band again. I'm smoothing out the tip with my natural nail and also removing the shine from the nail tip. Okay, after that I dust the nails off again, and then I apply my nail primer. I'm using the Mia's Secret nail system, so I apply the Mia's Secret primer, and I'm using the Mia's Secret Monomer, aka liquid. I'm using some instant acrylic powder in pink. Well, it's actually called Jupiter. Like I say, everything is not in focus, but I will leave links below to everything I'm using. So right now I'm just applying the instant Jupiter glow in the dark pink acrylic, and I'm trying to get it as thin as possible. And let me also add, I forgot to add a thin layer of clear acrylic between my natural nail and the pink acrylic, but it's okay. You know, mistakes happen. I was either talking or trying to tend to my 3-year-old, or listening to music, watching somebody's YouTube video. Oh, I think I was watching Big Brother with Candy and Tamar. But anyway, I'm trying to apply this pink acrylic as thin as possible. Go in with some glitter. My battery going dead. I'll take this holographic glitter and I pick up monomer with my brush, place that on the nail, on each nail. And after that, I just encapsulate with my Mill Secret clear acrylic. I didn't file shape and buff on camera because once again I was out of frame and I just think it wasn't worth putting in a video. So after file shaping and buffing, I dust my nails off with this manicure brush. And then after I apply the top coat, I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds or a little bit longer if I feel I need to. And then I apply cuticle oil, and now this is the final result. Didn't quite turn out like I imagined it would, but they're okay. They still cute, I guess. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my store if you like beauty and accessories. Follow me on all my social media platforms because I do a lot of giveaways. Thanks for watching. Mwah.